Today. Let's get jet. So today is June 18, birthday lang Ellen Mayin, 2024. It's 7:40 in the morning, and we have just checked in at Vietjet. We're headed for Bangkok from Phuket. Okay. What we learned was that you can book a van from the concierge of Marriott. So book a van sa concierge ng Marriott. That's ng Anton. Because we tried to book a van sa Grab. Advance booking, right? So you can book sa concierge sa Marriott and they'll provide a van. Okay, that's what we learned.
Hanap ka lang sa airport camping. First trip of the day.